Now the next thing which we are going to connect is Google Analytics. So you just have to go on SiteKit and just click on connect service. You have to choose your own account, then click on continue. Then you have to use your own account. Then let me just set up a new account. The name of the account is Tech Youth. The property is automatic. Okay, you just have to click on create account, and again it will ask for you to verify, and you just have to click on continue. Okay, so here are some agreements that you have to sign, but in my case I live in India, so I will just use the India term service, right, and just provide everything, and yeah, I will accept it. I will just go to my dashboard. Now it's successfully connected. Now to track the real users in your website, right, so you have to go to analytics and just go on analytics. And here I will choose the account. Now this is the account, okay, and here is the second UA account that I need to select, which is an easy user interface, right? And here I can track the active users. Okay, so if I open the website from incognito mode, because I am admin, so I cannot track there, right? So here you will get the active users right now data, right? So if I just make it side by side and scroll it and just go on website, it will just take some time and it will get refresh. Here you can see one page views, see, right? And here you can see I have opened the hello world. Okay, so this is successfully connected. Now we will go on setting up the push notification thing. See you there.